Shangqiu Jianbo Measuring Tools Company Limited specializes in steel measuring tapes and laser distance measure and hand tools manufacturing in DIY measurement tools. The company was founded in 2003, adhering to the pragmatic, innovative, good faith business philosophy 13 years. The company has continuously developed and now have 120 employees, with annual production of 12 million PCS measuring tapes and 20,000 PCS laser distance measure. Our company attended many fairs in the world, such as Guangzhou Canton Fair in China and Mitex Fair in Russia and Phaeton Batamat Fair in Brazil. Our factory has a complete and excellent management system and team. The introduction and implementation of ERP management software, implementation and protection of the company's stability, high efficiency, long-term development of the strategic objectives, with advanced production equipment, processing and production of key parts and components, are used computer control of the whole figure to ensure the integrity of product quality and consistency. Our company has passed the ISO 9001 certification, CE certification. JB Brand was awarded a brand name products in Henan province, famous trademarks, brand names, such as the title of exports, and as a patent model enterprises, credit management model enterprises. Our company sincerely welcome the cooperation of domestic and foreign customers. We will provide the higher quality products and most excellent services.